Welcome to DJ TV. DJ APC.
You don't settle. Baba T and APC they under strong pressure like this. So IPAC group where they call IPAC don't want them to stop forcing themselves into power. My people, we greet you now. We welcome una specially to this our channel. Another gbege don shele. One group where they call IPAC, Internal Party Advisory Council, don send strong warning to APC and Baba T. Say this kind of politics when they play for Naija, e no good though. E go better if dem stop am or else they go face dem woto. According to this group, they talk say the issue of zoning power and positions to the northern region of Naija, e no go stand again though. E better say they stop am. Na better one in this group give APC. Anyway, my people, make una watch this video.
We resolved as follows: to ensure federal character as enshrined in the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria 1999 as amended, and entrench ethno-religious balancing. IPAC is of the strong opinion that the Senate President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria should be zoned to either the southeast or south-south geopolitical zones. This, of course, is without prejudice to the ongoing election petitions at the various election petition tribunals in the country. We believe the candidate that will emerge will address the necessary ethno-religious balancing in view of the fact that the ruling party, that's All Progressive Congress, APC, by the virtue of the faith and region and ethnicity of one, the national chairman of the party in person of Senator Abdullahi Adamu, the president-elect, Asiwaju Bola Tinubu, the vice president-elect, Alhaji Kashim Shettima, and of course, the judiciary, that is the Chief Justice of Nigeria, Honorable Justice Olukayode Ariwola, are all of the same faith. We believe that the suggestion of the IPAC will help to restore confidence of the people from the southeast and south-south geopolitical zones, and indeed all Nigerians, in the oneness of this country. Also, we have a precedence in the example of Chief Olusegun Obasanjo's PDP government in 1999, when it deliberately zoned the Senate presidency to the southeast, the Speaker to the northwest, the Deputy Speaker to the Deputy Senate President to north central, the Deputy Speaker to south-south. And this ensured that every zone was accommodated in the power sharing equation, which helped to calm frayed nerves and peace throughout the 8 years administration of President Olusegun Obasanjo. IPAC calls on all relevant stakeholders to embark on deliberate actions that will help to reconcile, heal, and unite Nigeria. This, we believe, will eliminate the winner-takes-all syndrome and will further enhance ethno-religious inclusivity and will usher in a strong, virile, united, progressive, prosperous, equitable, and just democratic nation. IPAC was deeply concerned by the ethno-religious sentiments that characterized the 2023 general election, that is, nomination of presidential candidates and campaigns which adversely polarized the nation and undermined issue-based campaigns that would have strengthened our frail electoral process. Nigerians witnessed the worst campaign since 1999 when democracy was restored in the country. Council is strongly determined to stop the dastardly do-or-die politics, garrison politics, ethno-religious profiling, and what has come to be known as stomach infrastructure, that is the use of money to cow people, which have impeded our hard-earned democracy and impoverished the masses who sold their votes for a mess of electoral porridge. IPAC demands more appointments of women and youth in government as the most vibrant democratic groups in the country. The continued marginalization of women and youth in the previous and incumbent government must stop forthwith. No nation makes progress without the active participation of women and youth. Their involvement in the 2023 general election was an eloquent testimony of their preparedness to serve the fatherland, and they should be given the opportunity to do so. Council urges all the key stakeholders to be proactive and run an inclusive government, as this is the only way to carry Nigerians along in the governance and provide the essential dividends of democracy. As the umbrella body of all registered political parties in Nigeria, IPAC will always be in the vanguard for sustainable democracy and good governance in Nigeria. Thank you very much.
My people, now don't see the video, not be smart here, my people. This group, this IPAC group, so they're really serious, not be small. The warning when they give APC and Baba T like this, not be small, my people. Hey, voila. Anyway, my people, make una share this video, make una share am. Make those who never see am, make they see am, make they know wetin dey happen for Naija. And also, make una also drop una comment if una get comment for this matter, this tori, make una drop una comment. Make una no forget to like, make una share am. Obedient family, abeg, make una share this video for us. Make e reach those who never see am, make they see am, make they know wetin dey happen for Naija. Now do well. See you in our next video.
DJ